Hey guys, welcome to the TV Premiere channel. My name's Miranda and today I'm going to show you how to repot a plant. I noticed that these sides were getting a little moldy, so I looked it up. It's due to overwatering and humidity. So I'm going to pot it in this self-watering planter just because I think that was the reason of the mold getting into this plant. So I'm just going to give you a little quick tutorial on how to do so.
All right, so I start my process by adding some handfuls of soil. I usually fill it up about halfway, but I place the plant next to it just to make sure I'm not overfilling it. You notice how I tap it down? That's just so I get all the air bubbles filled with dirt. Now I take a knife just to loosen up the edges. I use a butter knife and just stick it just a little bit down there, and then I use my fingers. You could use gloves if you'd like. This just helps me loosen up the plant. I then take some of the old kind of moldy soil out the old pot and place it aside. I just don't want to mix it in the new soil. I stick my hand in there some more and just shimmy it out. Then I hold it like a baby over the new pot. I check to make sure all the roots are pretty much separated just so I could plant her in there nice and deep. Here, I'm picking away some of the dead leaves. Once you do this will kind of help the plant grow in a more healthy way. I noticed I filled the pot up a little too much, so I just take a handful, set it aside, and then place it on top. And then I top her off with a few more handfuls of soil. You want to tap it on the ground a few more times, just so the dirt fills in all the air bubbles. And then you top it off with water.
There you go. Thank you for tuning in.